Hey everyone, and welcome to this YouTube edition of 5 marketing tools to help you launch your business right. These are some tools that I wish I knew before I launched my first brand. And so I wanted to share these quick tips with you just to get you started on the right foot so that you kind of had some resources that you could use to be able to just make it smoother and easier when you are doing a launch and you're getting your product out or your brand out. So these are just, like I said, tools that you'll need for your business. I just wish I knew these before. So let's get started. So the first one that I wanted to talk about is Fiverr. Fiverr is an awesome tool. Whether you need a book cover, or you need branding tools, or you need graphic designs. They even do writing and translation, music, anything that you possibly need. And these are just freelancers that are able to help you do design. So a lot of times we aren't big designers. We have an idea and we have kind of something that we want to do, but it would take you hours to design something where for, $10 to $15, they can do your logo or any kind of design tool or anything that you need maybe for a sales page or any kind of thing like that. It just saves you a lot of time, and time is money. And it's also something that for me, my time is very valuable. And so if I can find somebody that's an expert in a field that I might not be an expert in, I would rather pay them and use that resource so that I can do the things that I'm good at. So Fiverr is a great resource. Go to fiverr.com, check out all the stuff that they do. It's absolutely the best starting point when you're getting your brand going. Another one that you want to look up is keyword finders. Just go to www.bestkeywordfinders.com. You really want to do some research on keywords for your particular industry or brand. You want to figure out what your customers are going to be searching for when they go onto Google and they're looking for a product like yours, so that you can use these keywords in all of your online marketing. And it's just really important to get off on the right foot with that, especially when you're looking for maybe your slogan or any of those different things like that. You really want to start off on the right foot and really have the main keywords that people are using to find your particular product. You want to have those readily available, maybe have like 5 to 10 right off the bat that you're always using, and then keep adding to it. So you also want to get your story out there. It's so important to be able to create a story. Even if you don't really have a story, what you want to really do, and these are just some tips for that, is you want to figure out why you're doing what you're doing, what it is that you're doing, and how you can help benefit them. And that's so important when you are writing your story, and your story is going to grow. So don't feel like I'm not successful yet, I haven't done anything that is worth talking about. Absolutely you have, because you have decided to start something. There's a passion behind it. There's a story of why you started it. Maybe somebody did something, or you saw something that there was a need in the industry, and you were able to find something to fulfill it. So your story is going to be what connects you to people. And that's so important. Even if your story grows and it becomes a different points of thought process in the story, you always want to start telling people why you're doing what you're doing, what it is that got you there, or how you came about it, and how this is going to help benefit them, because again, it's all about them, right? So you also want to be spreading the word, right? And it's so important to use podcasts, YouTube, other online platforms. For podcasts, I use Podbean myself. I like it because it was really easy to connect all the different podcast platforms into one, and I could just record it. But I know a lot of people like Anchor as well. So those are two that you could look at. YouTube Buddy is a great place to be able to find keywords for those particular subjects. Even if it's for a podcast, YouTube Buddy can help you find keywords for your subjects that people are searching for, because it's all about what words those customers and your future customers are putting in those Google searches or those YouTube searches to find the information that they need. And you have that information, so you just want to make sure that you can get them to you as quickly as possible. So I like to use the YouTube keywordfinder.com, and that will get you onto the TubeBuddy platform and give you some a free trial on that as well, so you can try it out. And then of course other online platforms. For myself, you know, like I said, I do a podcast, I have YouTube, I also am on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. So, you know, get yourself out there so when people do hear your story, they can go stalk you and really see what you're all about. So also another one that's really awesome that I love to be able for launching a brand is influencer. I always say it wrong, influencer. So this is really cool. So this basically is a platform that influencers are on that you can send them free product and send them stuff to try. And they're required to do, and you set it up to what you want them to do. They can do reviews on a couple different platforms for you, and you can decide, you know, which one. So for instance, like say that you go on there and you want influencers that have more than 2,500 followers, and you can set up the criteria, and then they'll recommend ones to you, and then you can say, I want 50 of them, I have 50 free gifts that I'm going to send, and then you can send them to those 50 people. And when I first was asking about this or getting information about the product, I'm like, I'm going to send all this product to somebody, like how do I know that they are going to actually do what they're supposed to do? Well, one, it's just free product that you're sending them, but two, they won't be able to do any other or get any other free products until they complete their mission, and the mission is what you've sent them. So they get the product, they can make a video about the product, opening the product, they can post pictures on their social media platforms, they can do reviews about it. There's so many things that you could require for them to do, and they have to fulfill all of those things before they can do another one. And you'll be able to really have a lot of people do this, especially if you have it in a shorter period of time. I've noticed that some people give them like 30 days to do it, but you want to give them like 2 weeks to do it so that all of these people, these 50 people, are posting stuff about your product launch within a short period of time, so that you can massive brand awareness and people onto your landing page or whatever it is that you're doing it. So group up. So you just want to make sure that you're joining groups and platforms where you can start conversations of people that are actually going to use your product, right? So you're able to get people, you know, you're able to go onto these platforms. So for instance, on Facebook, you know, if there's a group that you want to join, that maybe you're a real estate agent and it's a real estate website, right? Or maybe you're in mortgages and they're realtors, right? And so that you can be able to navigate that. Maybe you're a coach, right? And you help people with anxiety. So you want to get on groups of people that maybe are suffering from anxiety, and you can start conversations with them. And then when you're liking and following and commenting, they're going to see and feel good that you did that. And then they're going to go and look at what you do, and they're going to be like, oh, wow, I like this person. They're actually a coach for what it is that I do, and they had something really good to say. So maybe I might want to start a conversation with them. So it's really important that you do the groups as well. So here's my bonus tip. My bonus tip is you want to also create a sales funnel. So you have your branding, right? And then you have your keywords and those different things. And then you have your story that you're telling. And then you have your groups that you're on to create awareness, to kind of get people to start stalking you and looking at what you're doing. And then once they find you, what is it that you want them to do? And that's where those sales funnels come in. And sales funnels, there's 7 steps to a sales funnel. And it's absolutely something that you want to incorporate in what it is that you do. We do have a training on sales funnels at fusionfunnel.com. and you'll just basically learn everything that you need to know about doing an online sales funnel, from like effective marketing strategies, getting that hook and being able to get people to want to click to be able to learn more about it. You want to learn how to do copy, and if you can't, there's places to be able to hire people to do copy, and that's just those words and those phrases to be able to have people continue to go down that sales funnel. And then obviously you want to make sure that you're able to track that information with those marketing strategies and different things like that. So this is so important to be able to have this this system through your launch, because you want to have all of these major things in play when you launch a product. And like I said, I wish I would have known all of these things before I launched my first product, because I mean, I want to talk about failing forward. I have failed forward definitely on this one. So I wanted to share this with you because it's so important for me to be able to give you those tools to be able to make it easier for you when you are growing your business and your brand and all of the things that you're doing. Please like, share, comment on this video. I would love to start a conversation with you. If you have any questions at all about any of these things, I'm happy to give you all the knowledge that I have and be able to help you get better at this. Also, I have a free gift for you. If you go to bigbossbusiness.com, I have the ultimate business builder checklist for you. And it's just a free gift to you so that you can really understand that what it is that you need to start your business. If you've already started a business, it'll just kind of go through it and just kind of make sure that you're crossing your T's and dotting your I's. A lot of times what happens is what I found is people that are in business, they've kind of hit like a plateau. And then when they go back to the business builder checklist, they go, you know what, I forgot this step. And then when they do that step, it actually gets them to that next level. So absolutely take that free gift. It's just something that I wanted to offer to you so that you could have it to be able to just be the best version of your business that you can. So thank you guys so much for watching this short video. You know, like I said, we have a free gift. I have a couple other videos that I think that you would absolutely love. And of course, subscribe and like and comment and all that fun stuff. So thank you again for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you on the other side. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.